Once your manuscript is completed, beta readers are the ones that review your manuscript and provide honest feedback from the perspective of an average reader before your manuscript goes to an editor. Think of them as your book's test audience. They will tell you what works, what doesn't, and what needs further clarification. They're not professional editors and they can't fix anything for you, but they might help spot certain errors that you might have missed. Beta readers can't just be any reader. They need to be someone that regularly reads in your genre. So for example, if you're writing a mystery thriller, your beta reader needs to be a mystery thriller fan that has read hundreds of mystery thriller books before, so they can give you the best possible feedback. If you're writing about certain communities or cultures that you're not a part of, you can also look for sensitivity readers who ensure authenticity and accuracy. Here is the simple process of working with a beta reader. First, you complete your manuscript. Then you send it to a beta reader for review. Once you receive the feedback and incorporate it into your manuscript, only then do you send it to an editor. This order matters because editors are a significant investment. Only after you've received the initial feedback and made the changes should you approach an editor for further corrections. So where do you find beta readers? You can look for online writing communities like Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or Discord servers where fellow writers and readers might be interested in beta reading. You can also use your own audience on your social media and your mailing list and invite them to be a part of the process for an incentive, like a free copy of your book. You could also approach friends and family. Their feedback could be useful, but you need to be cautious. They might not have the knowledge to give critical feedback. Once you've found your beta readers, you need to guide them with very specific questions. For instance, you could ask them, did this story hold your attention from start to finish? Were there any scenes that were confusing or hard to follow? Did the dialogues feel natural? Were the characters believable? What was your favorite part of the book or the least favorite part of the book? And if you're not able to get honest feedback from anywhere, you can also look for professional beta readers. At Notion Press, we have a team of expert editors and beta readers who will read your manuscript and give you the exact feedback you need to take your manuscript to the next level. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!